I was just gonna make antelope burger and I just realized that I had Calvin throw away my hamburger bun. So that's a pickle. Ah, speak of the devil. Speak of the devil, I was just talking about you. Yeah, do you remember when we were going through my tote and stuff, I had you throw away those keto buns, right? I didn't keep them.
Yeah.
I was gonna make those antelope burgers and I just got everything out and I was like, where the heck are my freaking stupid buns that I hate? And I was like, oh, I think I had you throw those away.
Yeah, I remember you having me do that. Because they were expired, remember when the Best Buy date was passed?
Oh, that's right, it was like April or something.
Yeah.
Yikes, well that ruins my cooking plans, I guess.
I mean, just cook steak.
Oh, that's right, I could just cook steak.
Yeah, you don't need a fucking bun for a steak. If you do, you're a psycho.
You are very, very smart.
I mean, you're the only one to ever say that, so.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, well Calvin had a good point. We can just make the steak instead of burgers, so no big deal. All right, steak time then. I just need olive oil instead of cooking spray. Bet. All right, crew. I think I'm gonna make the tenderloin tonight, which is the one that Calvin is really protective over and told me that if I mess up tenderloin, he's gonna drive to where I am and beat me up, which he will be here tomorrow with the squad, so that's actually a very real possibility that he could drive here and beat me up because he will be here. So I guess what I'm saying is this video has to go well. FML. Cool. Although I think technically I'm supposed to make this at room temperature, but oh well, we don't have time. Guys, look how pretty this water is. I can't get over it. It looks like an ocean. I don't know if that's like a cardinal sin, Calvin, but it's too long for my pan, so. Okay, flip time, not gonna drop. Not gonna drop. Or that's at least the residue from the last time I cooked on that pan and I haven't washed it, so. Sorry for the wind, you guys. We're by the water. There's nothing I can do. Alright, let's pull them off and see. Heck yeah! They're probably a little bit more well done than I wanted, but better than being raw, so. It's like medium rare. Give me a fork. I swear they do this to me on purpose. Living my best life here. Whew! That loop took us an hour. Let's get you some water, blue Seth. There you go, Seth. Can't get over how beautiful this place is. Holy cow. Alright. I'm gonna chug water, change the GoPro battery, Walk Blue another hour. What time is it? 5:30. So that'll work out well because then we'll be back just in time for sunset. And I really want to get some sunset shots with the drone. Go play. Rue's all the way over there. Sunsets of my entire life. That was nuts. Alright, I gotta get Rue set up to be my little office right now and charge all my crap, and I gotta get to editing, so I have a lot to do tonight. So I have to get all my cords figured out. Okay. Later. What are you a cord to? Are you GoPro? What are you? Drone? I think you're drone. Blue, I'm not gonna forget you. I swear he thinks I'm like gonna leave him sometimes. Like, when have I ever left you before, Blue? Huh? Where's this weird trauma coming from? Hey, you wanna go back? I'll give you one of these. Yeah, I'll give you a bone. Go back. Go back. Good boy. No, you gotta stay back there if you want it. You know, sometimes it hits me like how important Rue really is to me. Like, not only is he my home of me and my dog, but also like my office as well. Crazy what a little 2007 Jubaru can do. It's funny, like the further I get into Colorado too, I feel like the more often I'm like, this is the prettiest campsite I've ever stayed at, but honestly, it's like they just keep getting better as time goes on. I can't get over it. All right, we are charging our electronics. Time to edit. I'm gonna try to get some work done, so.